Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni, featuring 18,000 Pascal suction and OZMO Roller Mop with TruEdge technology. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver deeper, smarter, and edge-to-edge cleaning. The T80 Omni boasts a Zero-Tangle 3.0 design, reducing wraps by 90% and making maintenance effortless. The OZMO roller scrubs at 220 revolutions per minute with 16 times pressure, rinsing in real time for a fresh mop every pass. This robot vacuum features AI navigation with LiDAR, scanning your home with 1mm precision and recognizing 100+ objects. The ultra-slim frame and LED headlight reach under beds and dark corners, ensuring a thorough clean. The T80 Omni comes with an upgraded OMNI station, offering 10-in-1 fully automated cleaning, including hot water mop washing, hot air drying, self-emptying, and refilling. It's a game-changer for anyone who wants to keep their home clean without the hassle of manual vacuuming and mopping. With its advanced features and sleek design, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni.